If your microphone is not working in ChatGPT, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick and easy fix step by step. This is a common issue, and it usually comes down to browser permissions or Windows microphone settings. By the end of this tutorial, you should be able to use the microphone in ChatGPT again without any hassle. If this video helps, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open ChatGPT and look at the chat bar where you normally type your message. You should see the microphone icon there. Go ahead and click that microphone icon. In many cases, your browser will immediately ask for permission to use your microphone. When that pop-up appears, make sure you select Allow. This step is very important because if you block access even once, ChatGPT won't be able to hear you. If you do not see the prompt, or if the microphone still is not working after allowing it, the next thing to check is your Windows microphone settings. On your computer, open System Settings and go to Privacy and Security. Then click Microphone. This is where Windows controls which apps are allowed to use your microphone. Inside the microphone settings, first make sure microphone access is turned on. If that setting is off, no app on your computer will be able to use your mic properly. After that, check the option that says Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone and turn that on as well. This is especially important if you are using ChatGPT in a browser, because the browser may need desktop access permissions to pass your microphone input through correctly. Once both of those settings are enabled, close your browser completely and restart it. Do not just refresh the page, because a full browser restart is often needed for the new permissions to take effect. After reopening the browser, go back to ChatGPT and click the microphone icon again. Then test it to see if your voice is being detected. If it still does not work, double-check that your browser itself is allowed to use the microphone. You can usually do this by clicking the lock icon next to the website address and reviewing the site permissions. Make sure microphone access is set to Allow for ChatGPT. Also, confirm that your microphone is plugged in correctly, selected as the active input device, and not muted on your computer or headset. In most cases, following these steps will fix the issue right away. Start with the microphone icon in ChatGPT, allow the browser permission, then move into Windows Privacy and Security settings, turn on microphone access, turn on desktop access, and restart your browser. That sequence solves the problem for a lot of users. If this tutorial helped you get your ChatGPT microphone working again, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.